Hey y'all, something interesting happened over the weekend. I just wanted to show you guys before I take it apart too much. So I am rerouting, instead of re-terminating this end right here, which I could have easily done, put a RJ45 connector right here, because the other one got ripped out. It got hooked onto a door handle. And then this is the old Mac board. As you can see, the RJ female side, RJ45 female side got just ripped out. And it communicates via CAN bus through this umbilical cord is what we call it. So then it wraps around, loops, goes through this little black conduit into this gray umbilical cord. And then I took off the cover, or the gray cover. So you see that purple cable going all the way here into the console, and then attaching to another Mac board, which is actually the same kind or similar kind as the one that was up here. So they both communicate via CAN bus, and here's the other end, and I am having to reroute it. And like I said, I could have easily re-terminated this and call it good. However, there was a lot of stress on it, and I just feel much more comfortable putting a brand new one in there. So there's something new that I haven't posted yet that I would love for you guys to see. Finished recording that video, I went ahead and inspected. This is the new cord the new cable that I installed. As you saw, the previous part or first part of this video, it was frayed out and broken. So there's a new one there. And then inspecting the other side, I flipped the collimator upside down. It's just something similar. It goes to the switch in the unit, and when there was some stress and it got pulled and yanked, there was this part that got pinched against the frame, and it created this stretch, pinch, whatever you want to call it. And I physically inspected it, and I can't focus it, but it looks fine. However, I don't know if it's going to create a weak spot over time, or you just never know. And it connects just fine, and it just communicates perfectly. But I want to eliminate this being a potential problem in the future. So I already have a spare on me, so I went ahead and rerouted it. Might as well, since I'm in here already. So it's kind of a sign. Just do what your gut tells you and do the right thing. So